You have your new fish?
Yeah, that's my new fish. Who gave my new fish?
Daddy did.
Daddy did? Oh, who gave my friends a little fish?
Yeah, what's your fish's name?
Joey.
Joey?
No, the fish is Joey.
Oh, the fish's name is Joey?
Mm-hmm.
He must have a friend at school named Joey or something.
Where'd you get the name Joey from? Do you know Joey?
Name as Joey. And the fish name is Joey at school, yeah. I play with kids.
You play with the kids at school?
In school, yeah.
What color is the fish?
Green.
Close. It's blue.
No, close. It's green.
No, Joey's blue.
Joey's green.
Hold on, let's see. What color is Joey? Joey is blue. Joey's blue.
Let's see it.